What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again for another dividend paying video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Armour Residential REIT, and I have gotten my third dividend payment. This is a monthly paying dividend stock, and that is exciting for me, and it's kind of cool for you guys because I'll be sharing my journey along the way. I'll share the power of compounding interest, which I have the pleasure of learning all about and taking you guys along with me for that journey. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing, of course, if you're new to the channel, once again, I kind of started doing day trading and got smacked around pretty hard. Now I'm doing more of dividend investing, and I'm interested mostly in dividend paying stocks. As a matter of fact, I own 12 different stocks right now, and only one of them does not pay any form of dividend, and that's Tesla. That's a separate story. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Armour Residential REIT, ticker symbol ARR. Now, this is my third dividend payment that I've gotten from them, and I'm super duper excited about that because these payments are starting to grow based on just getting the dividend payment and doing the dividend reinvestment. Now, on Robinhood, you can set it up to do it automatically. It's called DRIP, which is Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and all you have to do is enable it on your Robinhood account when you are getting your dividend payments. Like once you get your first dividend payment, you can just scroll down and click on edit or enable dividend reinvestment. Okay, so we're on the desktop right now, and you guys are looking at my account currently. Today was not that good of a day, down 2,500, but that's not why we're here. We're gonna click on a different tab, which right here you'll see Armour Residential REIT, and then of course you'll see my information. So currently the price per share at the making of this video is $12.24, and my market value is right now $10,526. I think I just invested $10,000 with this company at the time, and it was able to get me however many shares when I initially bought. So as you can see, my average cost per share is $11.83, and I'm going to scroll down here. Once again, this is my third dividend payment. This is a easier and more passive way to make money in the stock market. Now, of course, with dividend investing, it's going to take quite a bit of time to receive really high payments in regards to dividends. It's going to take 15, 20, 25 years. And so if you're watching this video and you're like 20 years old, man, I wish I were you, because you can get started now. When it comes to the stock market, it's better to take action sooner than later. Get started. And I don't mean that in a way where I'm telling you to get started and don't do research. I'm saying let's go. Let's start to research some solid companies that you may want to invest in. All right, so I'm going to click on show more here because I want to show you guys that I have gotten 3 dividend payments. So I'll just click on dividends here to the right. So I'll click on dividends just to show you. So you see that I got a dividend payment here on February 26th for $14.26. I'll click on it to show you exactly what was going on there. At the time, I had 142 shares. They're paying 10 cents per share, so I got a dividend payment of $14.26. So I like that. I was like, okay, cool, let's buy some more shares. So then on March 29th, I got another dividend payment, and that was in the amount of $84.62. I'll click on that to show you the details here. At that time, I owned 846.1825 shares. They were paying 10 cents per share, and I got a dividend payment of $84.62. I went ahead and purchased myself. I went ahead and purchased some more shares. At the time, I did not have the dividend reinvestment plan enabled on Robinhood because I was like, I'm pretty sure I can watch these stocks and get it at a lower price and then buy more shares, right? The thing is, the more shares, the more different companies you're invested in, it's going to be a little more tricky for you to watch the stocks on a daily, depending on your time and schedule. So I just turned on the dividend reinvestment. And so as of April 29th, which was my last payment, I got a dividend payment of $85.31, and at that time I owned 853.0903 shares, and they were paying 10 cents per share. That is really, really cool, because you can even see here just between these 2 months, between March 29th and April 29th, because I didn't buy any more shares, right? I didn't buy any more shares than from like February into March, right? So you can see here the dividend payment of $84.62, and then without me investing any of my money other than the dividend payment that I got, right? So just with the dividend payment alone, you can see that my payment grew from $84.62 to $85.31. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot, but let me tell you, that's actually a lot. And this is very exciting, because if we fast forward a year, the amount that the dividend payments are going to grow is going to be more. So like if I did some quick math, that's 31 cents. So we got 31 cents, and then we have 38 cents. So what's that? 70 something, right? So that's like a 70 cents difference, because the OCD in me wants to make sure I do it right. Plus 38, 69. I tried 72. It's 69 cents. There was a 69 cents increase just based on reinvesting my dividend payment. And that's the power of dividend investing. So that over time, instead of having a 69 cents gain from 1 month to the next, eventually that's going to be a bigger number, right? It's going to be a bigger number. And more importantly, when I look back, let's say we fast forward a year out from now, and I say, okay, guys, we're going to look at the very first dividend payment I got a year ago on March 29th, 2021, right? And now it's March 2022. You're going to see that there's going to be quite a bit of difference from the payment that I've gotten on March 29th, 2020, and March 29th, 2021 and March 29th, 2022. So hopefully we'll be here. I know I will. I plan on being here and sharing these videos with you guys and showing you the power of dividend investing. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. Of course, I'll be back sharing more dividend payments with you guys in other videos. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash the thumbs up in the video. It helps me tremendously. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.